Hi Sam. It's great to see you again. Today, we're going to learn the word
staatlich,
Hi Alex.
staatlich,
That sounds interesting. What does it mean?
staatlich,
means state or governmental in English. It's often used to describe something that is related to the state, like
staatliche Institutionen,
meaning state institutions. The most common use is when talking about government-related services or organizations.
Oh, I see. Are there any false friends with that word?
Yes, that's a good question. Sometimes people confuse
staatlich,
with
statistical,
because they sound similar, but they have very different meanings. So be careful with that.
Got it. What about the grammar? How do we use
staatlich,
in sentences?
Well,
staatlich,
is an adjective, so it changes based on the noun it describes. For example, you could say,
die staatliche Schule ist gut.
which means the state school is good. The comparative form is
Staatlicher,
and the superlative is
am staatlichsten.
It can also be used with opposites, like
Privat,
meaning private.
That makes sense. Is there a history behind the word?
staatlich,
Absolutely. The word comes from the German noun,
Staat,
which means state. It has roots in Middle High German,
Staat,
and even further back to Old High German. Historically, the concept of a state has evolved, and so has the word itself, reflecting changes in government and society.
That's really interesting. How is
staatlich,
formed?
Good question. The word consists of the root,
Staat,
which means state, and the suffix,
lich,
which turns it into an adjective, meaning related to. So when you put them together, it literally means related to the state.
That's a neat way to break it down. Are there other words like
staatlich,
Yes, definitely. For example, you have
staatlich,
itself, then there's
staatssicher,
meaning state secure, or
staatlich anerkannt.
which means state recognized. You could also look at similar suffixes like meaning political, or
Wirtschaftlich,
meaning economic. Each of those has its own root words connected to government or organization.
I see. Can you tell me some situations where I might use
staatlich,
Sure. One situation is when applying for a job at a government agency. You could start with
ich habe mich bei einer staatlichen Behörde beworben.
which means I applied to a state agency. Another situation could be discussing state support, like,
Die staatliche Unterstützung ist wichtig.
meaning state support is important. Lastly, if you're talking about education, you might say,
Ich gehe zur staatlichen Universität.
which means I go to a state university.
Great. I'll try repeating those. So,
Ich habe mich bei einer staatlichen Behörde beworben.
Perfect. That was spot on. Now, can you create your own sentence with the second example?
let me think.
Die staatliche Unterstützung ist nötig für alle.
Exactly. That's a great sentence. Now, how about the last one?
Ich gehe zur staatlichen Schule.
Very good. You're getting the hang of it.
What about the gender for
Staatlich.
Since
Staatlich.
is an adjective, it doesn't have a gender by itself. But if you're using it with a noun like,
Staat.
that's masculine, so you could think of a state as a strong man.
That's a funny image. Are there any common phrases with
Staatlich.
Yes, there are. You might hear,
Staatliche Kontrolle.
meaning state control, or
Staatliche Finanzierung.
which means state funding. Be careful not to confuse it with,
Statisch.
which means static.
I'll keep that in mind. Can you give me a few example sentences that use
Staatlich.
Of course. Here are a few.
Die staatliche Schule hat viele Schüler.
The state school has many students.
Staatliche Institutionen müssen transparent sein.
State institutions must be transparent.
Hat eine staatliche Förderung erhalten.
He received a state grant.
Die staatliche Politik verändert sich oft.
State policy often changes.
Wir brauchen staatliche Unterstützung in dieser Krise.
We need state support in this crisis.
Those are helpful. Can you quiz me on what we've learned?
Sure. First question, what does
Staatlich.
mean?
It means state or governmental.
Correct. Second question, what is the comparative form of
Staatlich.
Staatliche.
Yes, right again. Third question, can you give me a sentence using
Staatlich.
Die staatliche Schule ist gut.
perfect? Fourth question, what is the root of
Staatlich.
The root is
Staat.
excellent? Last question, what is a false friend related to
Staatlich.
Statistical.
exactly? You did a great job, Sam.
Thank you. I feel like I really learned a lot today.
I'm glad to hear that. Remember, the key takeaway is that
Staatlich.
relates to the state, and it's useful in many contexts. Keep practicing, and you'll master it in no time.
Thanks, Alex. I'll see you next time.
See you, Sam. Happy learning.